here, Pete, you've kind of softened on Bryce Young a little bit, but you want to see him do it against this team.
Yeah, I mean, when you look at, he's played well and better and improved, but now you go out on the road against this team and that defense. Let's see it. If he goes in there and throws for 250 and 2, then I'm going to sit here and say, you know what, maybe I was significantly wrong about him, and he can be a legitimate starting quarterback. But if he goes up there and, you know, throws for 120 and gets picked 3 times, then we're back to the same old narrative about him. So it's a big game for him. It's the one thing, it's a big number. I'm concerned about the Eagles coming off such a big emotional win over the Ravens. And so when you do that, what happens? Do you come down a little bit? I don't think so. I think this team is focused right now. I think they'll run the ball and have success. I like the Eagles in this game.
You know, the Eagles struggled early in the game relative to how they've played in the second half. I think they roll that momentum right into this thing against the Panthers. And look, we've had questions about teams like the Chiefs and teams like the Buccaneers with these close games against the Panthers. I believe in this Philadelphia Eagles team a lot, so much so that I'm going to pick them 12.5 point, favorites in this game. That's a huge number, but the Eagles should dominate this football game at home.
Does Saquon break the rushing record? That's the question. And the answer to that is he has a real shot because they play in their last 6 games, I think 4 of those teams are bottom of the run defense rankings in the league. So he's going to have many opportunities to do that.
If he does that, is he the MVP?
It depends. Right now, Josh Allen's the MVP.
You agree, Kyle?
Yes.
Okay. Still not a running back fan over there, Pete Prisco.
No, the guy's great, and he's been phenomenal, but Josh Allen would be the MVP.
All right, let's move on to the Saints and Giants.